Looking for the best gaming chair for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming chair that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a gaming chair that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming chair. Number 1 on the list is Hommel Ergonomic High-Back Racing Chair. Hommel's Ergonomic High-Back Gaming Chair is designed with a tight budget in mind. It doesn't have any crazy features atypical of a budget gaming chair, but in this price range, dependable mediocrity isn't a bad thing, per se. That's especially true since this is the best priced gaming chair on this list. That being said, it does have a few features that helps it find its own niche: a footrest, adjustable armrests, which can be hard to find at times, a long back that gives additional support for your neck and shoulders, making this a solid choice for taller gamers, and auto-locking casters. The casters are weight activated, providing optimum movement while seated. Once you stand up, the braking mechanism activates and holds the position in place, ensuring the safety of the player and the chair itself. Once you sit back down, the casters will unlock and move freely once again. This is the feature we liked most about the chair. Reclining the chair is simple. The back of the chair can be adjusted to any body weight by leaning back, finding the perfect position, and locking it into place. The chair also sports adjustable lumbar support, and the footrest is customizable as well. Second on the list is Miraxx Gaming Recliner Gaming Chair. The Miraxx High-Back Racing Chair's adjustment system allows for a complete 360-degree swivel, back tilt functionality, and lets you lock the chair in its upright position. In fact, this chair has a respectable amount of adjustability thanks to its height and armrests. Of course, that's not even mentioning that the backrest can be positioned and locked into place at degrees ranging from 90 to 170 degrees, making it great for a quick nap if need be. Miraxx offers a 2-year warranty for any issues you have with their product. All of this is packed into an eye-catching, racing-influenced aesthetic that doesn't disappoint. While this chair is only available in 3 colors: green, red, and ice blue, that wouldn't be a problem if it wasn't for the fact that some colors are more expensive or outright unavailable at times, a problem that is common on this list, frankly. Number 3 on the list is Furmax Gaming Chair. This Furmax high-back gaming chair has all you need for a pleasant and comfortable gaming experience, all built within a cool racing-influenced design. Pool leather upholstery, thick padding, and ergonomic technology ensure a comfortable fit for any body type. Moreover, this gaming chair has soft lift armrests which provide cushy support as you play. The steel frame and nylon base combine to create a sturdy support system to hold fast, even at the 300-pound maximum weight capacity. The sturdy base is also designed to stay steady when the chair is reclined in any position. The pneumatic lift system adjusts smoothly with a pull of a handle, making for easy height adjustment to best suit your body type. Furmax is a respected name in the gaming world, and this chair is a testament as to why that is the case. With all the features you need, this chair is ready for your next gaming season. Number 4 on the list is Tracing Gaming Chair. Tracing has dedicated much of their time and effort to designing gaming chairs that are stylish and comfortable enough for professional gamers, and this model is no exception. Ergonomically designed with a strong metal frame and a thick padded seat, this chair is ready for hours of comfortable gaming. The armrests are adjustable both up and down, as well as pivoting to keep your arms supported. It also has height adjustment, which is simple to use. The reclining and rocking features allow you to lock the backrest into place in either an upright or reclined position, depending on your mood. Smooth pool leather covers the chair, making for a comfortable experience. Moreover, the seat, lumbar, and headrest cushions offer additional support. This Tracing Gaming Chair is one of the best gaming chairs for the price. Not only does it boast professional style, but also all of the features needed for long, yet comfortable gaming sessions. This gaming chair is a worthy addition to your gaming setup. Number 5 on the list is Respawn 110 Racing Style Gaming Chair. The Respawn 110 racing-style gaming chair is designed for intense gaming and tedious office work. Super dense padding wrapped in bonded leather makes for a comfortable and professional-looking chair. Although built to last through years of wear and tear, this chair comes with a lifetime limited warranty through Respawn. The chair also has an adjustable headrest, providing optimal neck support. This chair's adjustable lumbar support helps keep your posture straight to prevent stiffness while putting in long hours on the computer. The armrests have extra padding that pivots along with the reclining of the chair for added forearm support. These 4D armrests can ensure a fitting position for any gamer at any time. Interestingly, these look nearly identical to the Eloquish's distinct armrests. Interestingly, these also share the Eloquish armrest's propensity to feel loose. Of course, the height of the chair is adjustable, and it can recline from 90 to 130 degrees. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming chair that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.